Hello and what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by and giving me a look. And if you're returning, as always, thank you for stopping by. Today, it's gonna be another makeup video. I'm gonna do a look using my Honey palette. That's why I'm wearing yellow today for the festivities. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna do my brows first. I was originally gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me, or makeup and chit chat, which is the mini series I have on my channel. Because I have a lot I want to talk about and a lot on my mind, but I couldn't think of good talking points, you know what I mean? You know when you just have a thought and you just want to talk it out, but like I don't know, I don't want to sound stupid on camera, because at this point I've released at least 30 videos. I should be comfortable, and I am comfortable in front of the camera, but I still have moments of like when I turn on the camera I can't articulate, I lose train of thought even when I write down notes. So it's just like, ugh, I don't want to seem stupid to y'all. My brows are so easy, and I'm sure there's probably somebody looking at my brows like, they're easy because you're not doing it right. But this is just what I do, okay? Ain't nobody telling you to do what I do. Again, like if you watched my channel a lot, you already know all I really do is just fill in any sparse spots and give myself a nice little tail. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm gonna clean up the bottom half a little bit, bottom half of my eyebrows. I haven't plucked in a while and the hair is a little out of control. It's not like you guys come here for like makeup expertise, you know? You guys come here for the shenanigans, and I am more than happy to deliver that to you. I'm actually really excited to use this palette. Ever since my rainbow cut crease disaster video, ever since I used the shade Dandy, I have been obsessed, and I've been thinking like I need to make a look with that palette, because honestly I love working with yellows. I think they look so pretty on my eye, and yellow really just accentuates my eye color, which is real. My eye color is real. A few of y'all have asked me under a few videos. No colored contacts, no weird eye surgery thing that people were doing. Like, it's all me, baby. I'm too scared to even, like, I wear glasses. I'm too scared to even, I've never worn contacts in my life because I'm just too scared to have something like my finger touching something and putting it in my eye freaks me out. And I probably never will, unless I have to for whatever unforeseeable reason. Normally I start off with my base, but lately I've been feeling starting out with my eyes. I think it's because I'm doing more experimental looks, so it's just safer this way. The one shade I know for sure I'm not going to use probably ever is this middle pressed glitter shade. I don't like pressed glitters at all. I especially dislike them in a palette. I just don't think it's necessary. I'm gonna be real with y'all, I don't have any like real idea of what I want to do for this eye look. I'm just kind of playing it by ear. This is one of those, what should I call this? Mental health makeup. Mental health break with makeup, because I feel like my mind is just going a million miles a minute, and I just, you know, need to stop and just make time for myself and play with my makeup. I do this off camera as well, but since I started YouTube I was like, why not bring it on camera and see what happens? Maybe one of these days I'll create a really, you know, bomb look. You know, I kinda wanna rant. Can I rant to y'all? Because I really need to get this off my chest. You know, when people rant, I know some people are probably like, why don't you just talk to that person directly? Why are you ranting on the internet? Because let's be real, some people you just can't talk to because they don't want to listen. And this person I'm about to talk about, I'm gonna call them Orange. I'm sure many of y'all have been in a similar situation with somebody who lacks complete and total self-awareness. Let me tell you, I was about to get into it with Orange earlier this week. Let me give you a little bit of a breakdown on Orange. Orange is very much a messy person, an incredibly messy person. So messy, in fact, that whenever there's a mess around, we all know who made it, because everybody else in the vicinity cleans up after themselves because they think about others. They're aware that, hey, other people are, you know, in this vicinity, other people are around. Let me go ahead and clean up behind myself so other people don't do it for me, and so I don't infringe on other people's time and space. Orange doesn't think like that. Orange only thinks about themselves. Orange, again, lacks complete self-awareness and thinks that the world should revolve around them. Wouldn't you think? Leaving messes everywhere, walking around as if the world owes them something, acting as if the world owes them something. They're just the epitome of a hypocrite. Let me tell you why. Orange doesn't think they do anything wrong. Orange walks around as if their stuff doesn't stink. Orange thinks, you know, people should move mountains and molehills for them. And can't really blame Orange, because if you knew Orange, you would know that a lot of that is due to their upbringing and due to how they were raised. Orange was very spoiled. Orange never had to be accountable for themselves. So of course, Orange never learned to be mindful of other people, never learned to be respectful of other people's spaces or time. Pretty much Orange grew to be a complete and total monster because they were never taught otherwise. Orange the other day had the audacity to send out a little message. They sent out a message pretty much saying, if you make a mess, clean up after yourself. If you make a mess, clean up after yourself. Coming from Orange, who is the source of 99% of any messes found anywhere. Guaranteed. This palette is so nice. I love this palette. Orange caught themselves trying to tell other people to clean up behind themselves. How well do you think that went over? Because when I heard about it, I was like, are you serious? Orange has to be joking. Orange has to be playing around. Because you know what they said? They said, if you make a mess, you need to clean up after yourself. Y'all, I could have swore Orange was joking. I thought they were joking. I was hoping they were joking because I was like, maybe they're in on the joke. Maybe they're finally getting it, that people don't want to clean up after a grown adult. Maybe, you know, this is their way of acknowledging it. Maybe, like, I was trying to make all these excuses because I was like, Orange can't be serious. I know Orange is playing. This must be a prank. Y'all pranking me? Orange was not playing around, because I guess for once, a mess that they hadn't made was affecting them. Oh, no, that cannot fly, baby boo. Only Orange can make messes that infringe on other people. Only Orange can do that. Nobody else. Y'all, I was floored. I'm sure that this probably doesn't sound like it's a big deal, and maybe in the grand scheme of things it's not, but it's like a build-up, you know? When someone continuously, routinely shows you that they don't care about you, your personal space, your time, and Orange is the type of person that you can't go and talk to them. You can't, because they take it as a personal attack. No matter how reasonable you are, no matter how, like, I've tried every tactic with Orange and they just don't get it. Honestly and luckily, the one thing that saves me is that I'm not around Orange that often. And luckily for them, and I'm not trying to sound big and bold, luckily for them, I'm in my Zen mode. I'm not allowing things like, because normally, old me, that would have set me off. And I would have made it a point to make sure they know not to do that again. But I'm proud of myself because I just let it go. I let them be. I didn't make a big deal out of it. I didn't say anything in response. I just let it go. What is me responding gonna do? This video is probably all over the place because honestly I feel like I'm all over the place, but I feel a little better getting that off my chest. Look at that, it's so pretty. Barely any effort put in there. The one thing I wish in this palette is that there was like a darker brown to like define the corner a little more. I had to dip into another palette to get that definition that I wanted. If I had done this differently, this shade probably would have worked, but I just needed a darker one. So I had to go into another palette, but other than that, stunning. Let's do the rest of the face in 3, 2, 1. I know I said I'd be back with my full face done, but like, look how bad my dark circles are right now. That's crazy. Okay, I just had to show y'all that real quick. Bye! And we're back. I finished up the look. What y'all think? I think it's nice and simple. I decided to forego any liner or lashes or anything. I think this look is, I don't think the look needs it. I think this look can definitely be elevated with liner or lashes, even just liner. I didn't feel like putting on liner and lashes. Simple as that. I'm loving this eye look. That might be one of my new favorite palettes. I'm never disappointed with ColourPop's shimmers, but lately it's like they've been throwing it out the park with their shimmers. They're so pretty and buttery and pigmented, and they just go on the eye so beautifully. And also, like, that was probably like the worst rant in history. I just need to get that off my chest. That person, or just something. And I just couldn't believe the audacity of trying to call out other people for being messy. Even right now, it's been like a day or two, I'm still just flabbergasted at the lack of self-awareness and just the overall sense of entitlement. It's okay if Orange makes a mess, but when other people make a mess, it's a problem. Cool beans. I feel like it sounds like nothing when I say it, but like you don't understand. Like I think I'm a fairly cool, calm, and collected person, but one of the few things that'll like really get under my skin is someone who's a hypocrite. That'll get under my skin like no other. It really just... I'm just rambling now, but anyways, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little look. I wanted to play with that palette again. I might do one more look up with it on camera because I'm like... I think I might be obsessed with this palette, y'all. ColourPop ain't nothing to play with out here in these streets. I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take a whole bunch of pictures. Again, just wanted to come on here and do a quick little look, check in with y'all, see how y'all doing. Thank you guys for watching and making it to the end. I hope you guys remember to go down below, leave me a like, comment on this look, how would you think about it. Don't forget to go down below and also subscribe. That would be great. And share this out to your peoples. That would be fantastic. I don't know why I keep doing this. I think it's just, I just have all this excess energy and I'm doing things with my hands. So I'm gonna end it on that note. Thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you in the next one.